Well, good morning. That was a good move. You out here waiting for me? You have been causing quite a lot of Hi. Okay. Well, you did move. What are you doing? Cookie's down here. Ah! You're like, feed me. Let me turn off the fence so I don't get zapped. Yeah. Okay, you don't seem to care that the fence is on. Well, I got one more fence to turn off since you try to escape. You got two of them on here. We got one there, one here. Yeah, because one is obviously not enough to keep you in there, you little stinker. Okay, hold on. Can I reach it? You gotta back up, or I can't do it. You act like you don't get fed. Look at you get plenty of food. You get plenty. Look at that belly. Look at that belly. It's adorable. Still so soft. Can you tell your friends have a good day? Have a good day.